This is a Samsung Droid Charge take apart repair guide. First step will be to remove the back battery cover. From there you can remove the battery, SIM card, and memory card. We're then going to use this small Phillips screwdriver and remove the 7 small Phillips screws as shown in the video. We're now going to use a safe open pry tool and glide it along the outside edges, releasing all the clips holding the back housing in place. Once all the clips are released, we can then remove the back housing. Release the 1 pop connector located on the motherboard, and release the volume button flex cable and power button flex cable, which are adhered to the housing. The motherboard can now be removed. Using a heat gun or hairdryer, begin warming the adhesive holding the screen assembly in place. Quick movements around the outside edges for about 45 seconds on the front and back. Now begin using a safe open pry tool to gently lift the screen assembly away from the front housing. Use the safe open pry tool to glide along the outside edges, releasing all the adhesive. All the adhesive released, we can now remove the screen assembly from the front housing. You can now replace your screen assembly.